Before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel, and once you subscribe, be sure to click on that bell notification so you're notified every single time I post another video. And then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up to let the algorithm know that you like my videos, you know what I'm saying? So if you want information on the hair that I am using in this video, make sure you check all of the information in the description box for our amazing sponsors. This is the first initial braid pattern that I did, but I actually didn't like it that much because I found that it was still a little bit too heavy. And in a video that you guys will see very soon, I'm having a slight minor outbreak of HS in my scalp. So, you know, it's not a big deal. Been dealing with it all my life, but I wanted to switch up the braid pattern. Another thing that you will see in this video is one of my favorite little secrets that I use to mask my outbreaks when I am having them. So if you want more info in the inside scoop, keep on watching. And if you're confused about something, just know there's a video coming soon to answer your question. Okay.
It's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting. Keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Get like this. No, get like this. Yeah. Get like this. Yeah. Get like it, like this. She loves me not. This bouquet is all I got. I'm dreaming, or could it be a future for you and me? She loves me, I know it's true. Or maybe I'm the fool for you. I don't usually get like this. It's something about you